Look, go over to the Warner Brothers sign over here, look. Go on at the front of... Go on and get in them.
I'm not going to bed down like this.
Hey friends!
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Wow, waiting for the hunt. Having a great day. It's having a great day right now.
That's it.
Jerry likes you.
How wet are you? Did you get really wet? I think the people in the middle row got the worst. Oh, you did get actually really wet. Yeah.
I have all sorts of sounds on the sound. For example, hi Matt. Listen to this sound. Can you make that sound for me? Very good.
Got it. Bye. Come on, she can show you how to do it.
Take them off. Yeah, take these off.
And you brought us something.
Yeah.
What was it?
So like, as you know, saying goodbye is always hard.
Oh, it is hard, yeah.
But like, when we say see you soon, the phrase might sound a bit more clearer.
Okay, yeah.
So, but as you know, goodbyes at times they never come back.
Oh,
But see you soon.
we will see you soon, and we're definitely coming back. Yeah.
Anytime it can be there.
Thank you so much. You've all been brilliant. Thank you. Appreciate everything. Thank you.
So this is the present for you.
Take it then, say thank you. Oh, lovely. Thank you.
I forgot you did.
Oh, lovely.
You happy with that?
Yeah, a bit of gold on there.
Look at this for a lift. Said, look at this for a lift and a fountain.
Yeah, guess what?
What?
That fountain goes all the way down to the bottom and it has a pool.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on? Look, there's such a light. McDonald's.
Where are we?
At McDonald's.
Yes. Airport McDonald's. Let's go and get